In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an online food ordering website with WordPress 2025 booking plus free app. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the site editor. From there, choose your home or blog home template so every change you make applies to the front page visitors will see. Give it a moment to load. The editor shows your layout in place, so you can click directly on elements to modify them. Click the header or hero text at the top of the page to select it. Then type in your restaurant name and a clear tagline. Keep this short and action-focused. Something like fresh meals, fast delivery helps users immediately understand what you offer. If the text style looks off, use the sidebar settings to adjust font weight, size, and color so it's readable against the background. Next, select the hero image area. You'll see options to add media. Choose Add Media, then Upload if you're bringing in a new photo, or open your media library if the image is already there. If you're uploading, click Select Files and pick a high-quality photo of your signature dish or storefront. Aim for a landscape image around 1600 to 2000 pixels wide for crisp results without slowing your site. Once it appears in the library, select it. Before you insert the image, add descriptive alt text in the Details panel. Something like Margarita Pizza with fresh basil is both accessible and helpful for search engines. Confirm your selection to place the image on the page. If it's too dark or bright, tweak the overlay or opacity so your headline remains readable. Now add your primary call to action. Insert a buttons block beneath the headline and image. Edit the button text to say, "Order now," or "Book a table," depending on your main goal, and paste the link to your ordering page or booking tool. If you have a companion mobile app, you can use this same button to link to your app's download page, keeping the action front and center. Customize the button style, solid, outlined, or pill-shaped, and pick a color with good contrast. When your headline, image, and button look right, click Save. WordPress may ask you to confirm template updates. Accept those so the changes apply site-wide. Finally, click Launch or Publish to make your new homepage live. That's it. Your online food ordering homepage is ready. Test the page on mobile, confirm the button link works, and you're set to start taking orders and booking.